Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find sound settings on OPPO A60. To find them, we need to open the settings. In the settings, you want to scroll down until you find sounds and vibration, which should be somewhere pretty much at the top. Once you go to sounds and vibration, over here you have sound mode options where you can enable and disable the silent mode. You can vibrate on ring, vibrate on silent, and you can also enable and disable the DND or do not disturb mode. Over here you have volume sliders where you can adjust the volume of your device. We have volume button function where you can adjust the media volume by using the volume buttons on the right side or the ringtone volume. Here you can set up the ringtone as well as the notification. You can also go to more sounds in order to enable sounds for specific things such as touch sound, deletion sound, screenshot sound, lock screen sound, and dial pad tone. And then also we have the O Reality Audio and haptics. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!